Hi, welcome to the MuleSoft tutorials. This is Akash, and in this video, we'll discuss about the custom functions in DataWave. So for that, we'll create one new project. So basically, you can write custom functions that you can reuse anytime, and then you don't need to write those code again and again. So like cus custom func proj. Click on finish. So what we'll do, we'll drag one HTTP from here and we'll configure this HTTP, and now we'll drag one transformer message, and inside that message we'll write our function. So we can define our variables, we can define our function. So what we'll do, after output, to define any variable we used percentage where, let's say, num1 is one variable equals to 100, enter, and num2 is another variable, let's say 200, and now we write the function. So to start a function, we'll write percentage function, right, addition num1 comma num2, and now we'll write the definition. Let's say it's num1 plus num2. This is the output of that function, and now I need to call that function. So like I will call from here addition colon addition num1 comma num2. So as we have defined this num1 num2 over here, we are using that number over here, and then we are calling here we whatever we want. If we want to write a and b, we can do that also, but right now we'll use num2 and num1. Yeah, so in this way we can write our own function. This is a pretty simple function addition. We can write our complex function using all the predefined function like float, ceil, reverse, concatenation string, and other things. And yeah, we'll try to run this project and see. So we'll give this in JSON as an output, save it. We'll run mule, run as mule application. Okay, okay. So this will deploy my application on local, and then we can check how what is the output of that particular. So this successfully deployed. I will do plus. Here I will write localhost 8081 get operation submit. So let's see, addition is 300 because we have two variables 100 and 100, 200. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will try to what we'll try to pass the dynamic variables from HTTP. So we'll have one two URI parameter num1 comma num2, and we'll use those parameter and give the addition of that. So here it will be message dot inbound, or else you can define your variables also. You can use variable, and here I will set variable, say num1, and here inside this I will write message dot inbound properties dot http URI param dot num1, and then we will create one more variable num2, same thing, message dot inbound properties dot http URI params dot num2. Let's save it. Now we have two variables over here. We can use those variables over here also. We'll use flow_vars dot num1 and flow_vars dot num2. So we have two variables num1 and num2 over here, and we will add those variables and give addition. Uh, Save this function and we'll go to console. It's automatically got ready deployed on my local application, got started, and here I will pass two numbers, send it. See, the addition is 30. So in this way, let's say I want to pass 200, since 210. So in this way we can write our own custom functions and we can do whatever we want to do with those functions. So this function is available for this database only. We can write our own Java function and we can call those Java function from our database also. So you can practice this functions and creating variables, writing functions on your own, and then you will get more idea about this thing. So thank you for this video. Thank you for joining this video. See you in next video. Bye.